So guys, welcome back to the 0 to 100k Forex funding challenge, the series where I'm documenting going from zero funding to six-figure funding, 100k funding. Hopefully this week will be a big week. Yeah, there's lots of updates I want to talk about, so let's get into the video. So guys, I want to update you on the strategy I'm using now for this 25k funding. I'm reverting back to my old strategy that I used, that I was consistently profitable on, that I learned originally. My new strategy that I trade is more shorter term. It's the exact same principles, but just on the hourly and 5 minute. I'm doing what I used to do on the daily and 1 hour. So I'm going to use the 25k funding, not change anything, use the exact strategy to see if I can get this 25k funding, then we'll be 25% of the way to the six-figure funding. And yeah, I'm going to use that strategy. So I'm going to trade more pairs, trade higher time frames, look for daily directional predictions, trade the hourly time frame. And yeah, I'm going to use that. So I'll keep you updated if there's any trades this week. And let's hopefully it'll be a good week. Okay guys, so yesterday was Monday. We didn't really have any opportunities, so there was nothing to film. But today I'm looking at Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. As you can see, we're at key level. We're overextended from this run to the downside. You can see we've been coming down multiple days. We've then had a bullish engulfing here at these lows. So I'm looking for a quick pullback move, nothing big. So that means on the 1 hour, what we're looking for is obviously a trend change. So we've been going down. We've then now broken out, making a new higher high. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And then we're looking for the pullback to key confluence area, which is 0.382 fib. The 1 hour 50, looking for some bullish momentum. And then we're looking for the trend continuation, which then goes in alignment with this bullish engulfing candle. We're predicting the next day to be bullish. So that's what we're looking for. So if we get an entry on that, I'll let you know. That's the main thing I've been looking at today. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, today's Friday, end of the week. Just got back from the gym. Gonna mention and sit down and have a chat about what trading's been like this week, because it's been a very slow week, and then we've had some difficulties with the account. So I'm gonna sit down and show you and what's been going on with them, because it's a bit of a nightmare. And yeah, hopefully it can get resolved. But yeah, I'll sit down and talk to you guys about what happened. So guys, as a lot of you all know, I had the 50k account that I was doing before this with True Forex funds. And I've got the 25k account with funding pips. So with regards to the 50k funding account, I'll go on the laptop and show you what they've just launched on their website. But hopefully that should get resolved. They say the week of the 19th, we should be able to get access to those accounts again, because obviously that 50k funding's been out. I can't trade it because of the difficulties that's been going on with True Forex funds. So hopefully that gets resolved next week, the week of the 19th, and I can start trading that account again. Now, as you can see, whenever I go on the website and try to get onto the dashboard, this is all that comes up. It's got expected relaunch week of February 19th, so that's next week. So hopefully I can get back to trading that account and we can continue on with this challenge, because obviously losing this 50k account to their mistakes and their errors is frustrating. In some ways it's good, because it's made me, well, not good, but it's made me like, I was obviously in drawdown 4% on that account, so I've been able to recenter myself and focus on executing good quality trades. But so hopefully next week we should have some good trades that I can document, and we can carry on with this challenge. But obviously that's the problem when you're trading solely. I don't solely trade prop firm capital. I have my own personal account, which I urge, and I think it's important that a lot of you have your own personal account that you're building alongside your prop firm capital, because when in events like this and when situations like this happen, you're going to struggle. You're going to lose. If you're solely reliant on this money, then you're not going to be able to trade, and your business is sort of is out. You can't do it. So I have been trading my personal account, but obviously I'm not documenting that. It's more private, and I'm just placing lower risk trades and building that capital. But with regards to the challenge, hopefully this will be back obviously next week. So hopefully we can get out of drawdown. It'll be a blessing in disguise, but I'm not the only one in this situation. A lot of people in this boat with True Forex funds, and hopefully they resolve it. So that's the update on the True Forex Fund 50k account. Like I said, not been able to trade it. But then we've had some other issues now with funding pips. I'll show you the email that they sent me, and I know someone else who trades with them. I don't think it's too much to be concerned about, but I haven't been able to trade that account because Monday it was absolutely fine. I could trade it. The broker was allowing me to execute positions. There wasn't any trades for me to execute, but you could see the price moving up and down, and that you could execute trades if you wanted to. And then Tuesday, we got
an email late into Tuesday, and it said, and I'll show you the email in a minute, but pretty much that they're, well, it's pretty easy for me to show you, so I'll go onto the laptop and show you what the email says. So guys, as you can see, I got an update from Funding Pips saying, on the 14th of February, MetaQuotes abruptly halted our services due to US accounts without prior notice. Our partner broker didn't terminate our partnership, but they were forced to let us go. So they've stopped people this week executing trades with Funding Pips. So that's the 25k account that I've got with them. They said obviously they're going to be transparent, and they say that they adhere all their promises and commitments, and they'll continue to do that. It's not completely bad news though, because they've said that our accounts are safe and that they're able to transfer all the data across, so the team's working to do that. So I don't know when this one's going to be back up and running, but again, like I said in the other point, it's so important that you have your personal account that you can grow too, because as much as you can make good money from prop firms, if you pass them, you get access to a larger amount of capital than you might otherwise be able to trade. If you're not saving that money or putting portion of it into your personal account, or you're not growing a personal account on the side and you're not prioritizing that, in an event you could have 400k with these or 200k making good money, and if you then an event like this happens, which is out of everyone's control, I've not lost the account, this is what's happened to everybody, then your trading can be out because you don't have any capital. So like I mentioned before, it's important to build your own personal account, but it's frustrating obviously because I've got the 50k, was trading that, and then True Forex Funds had their issue. So then I thought, okay, Funding Pips, did my research on good prop firms and what I thought would be good, and I've heard Funding Pips is good, and I'm not saying they're not good at it. It's been not a problem up until this point, but now it's obviously frustrating because there was a couple of setups that I could have took that I wasn't able to take, and they would have banked a couple of percent. Forget what they would have banked or what they would have lost. I wasn't able to execute those trades. And you pay for a service and you pay to do the trial. You don't want situations like this to happen. I know it's not always their fault, and they say they're resolving it, but it's just one of those things. So like I said, this week's been, the update on the account has been nothing. Like, I've not been able to trade much. Monday wasn't any trades. Tuesday, not many trades either. Wednesday the 14th, there was this happened. So, and then I wasn't able to trade for the rest of the week. So it's one of those things. Like I said, hopefully next week will be better. We'll get the True Forex Funds account back, hopefully. So that would be nice. I can start trading that, hopefully get out a drawdown on that. And then hopefully they will let me know sometime soon an update on what's happening with this account. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much been the update of the week. I wasn't going to make a video because there wasn't too much. Like I said, I'm documenting the journey, so there wasn't too much for me to actually talk about in a way. But I thought I'd just update you all on the accounts I'm doing at the minute and the issues that we're having with them. But yeah, hopefully next week will be better. Hopefully, like I said, the True Forex Funds will be back and we'll be back to trading. Hopefully we can pass it and document and give value and people can enjoy the series. So sorry if this episode's a bit shorter, but like I said in a previous video, I can't. Some weeks there might be 2-3 episodes because if I'm taking a lot more trades and there's a lot more opportunities that I can document and film, then yeah, I'll be able to film it. But on weeks like this where there's no trades and it's been slow, that's unfortunately the way it is. But yeah, hopefully a big week next week. Make sure you stay tuned for the episodes next week on the channel. I appreciate your support as always. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.